Hello, crafty friends. This is Anya Yunro with Ink, Paper, Scissors. Today, I'm sharing a quick video on how to make a super fast card with the Spellbinders Advent Calendar dies from day one. The dies are super cute. It's a hot air balloon that comes together from 11 dies. There is an additional greeting in the set, which makes this a total of 12 dies. I'm laying the dies out for you so you can see all the pieces that are in it. Spellbinders has done such a great job with the Advent Calendar this year. Here's a quick peek at the card that we will be making today. Grab your dies and create along with me. I die cut the pieces off screen from colored cardstock and patterned paper. I have mentioned in previous videos before that I like to use patterned paper as that gives the finished die cut some additional interest. Then I'm assembling and gluing the hot air balloon pieces together. While I'm working on that, I will play some music for you and I'll be back later in the video. Now that I have finished my die cut assembly, I used the Stitch Mod rectangle die set from My Favorite Things to die cut the third largest rectangle from white cardstock. Then I ink blended some blue ink onto my rectangular panel. I used a heavier hand on the bottom of the rectangle, and as I moved up, I lightened my pressure so the ink blending would be softer towards the top of my rectangle. Then I'm using some fun foam to adhere to the back of the panel to give it some dimension. I buy regular white fun foam from the big box stores or crafty stores online and use double-sided adhesive from scrapbook.com to make one end of the foam sticky. I could use double-sided adhesive on both sides, but I like using glue as it gives me more time to place my die cut just right before it dries and the placement becomes permanent. Then I'm aligning how I want my die cuts positioned on my card. and I'm using the remainder of my foam to adhere to the back of the hot air balloon. Then I die cut 3 Hello Sentiment flags from the same set. And I glue all 3 of them together for dimension. You could use foam squares here also, but I like the stability of the paper stacked up. Once I have the position of my die cuts just right, I adhere it to my rectangular panel. Then I'm using my Spellbinder gems to add some sparkle to my card. The gems I'm using today are the Spellbinders Crystal Mix. The set comes with 4 sizes. As always, I place the gems in a triangle type of shape around the die cut. And then we're already done with our card. Thank you for watching my video and spending your time with me. I hope this video gives you some ideas on what you can do with your advent calendar dies. Please press the like button so YouTube shares this video with others. I would also love it if you would subscribe to my channel so you're notified when I post another video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer it. Thank you and have a blessed day.